Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So from now we'll start a new topic, a new playlist in which we will talk about Bing's ads, and today our topic is how to implement conversion tracking on a thank you page in Bing's ads accounts. So in today's video I will let you know how we can create UET tags there, and with the help of that we will able to track leads in our Bing's ad account, and then we can have that lead and send to the client so that they will convert them easily. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Hello guys, as you know, today our topic is how to implement conversion tracking in Bing ad account, and today we will learn how to implement tracking on thank you page. So today we will track the lead form. Through that we will get leads to our website, and then we will able to convert them. So as you can see, there is a website here, and there is a page you can contact form, and when somebody fill up this contact form, they will land on, when somebody fill up this form successfully, they will land on this thank you page. Okay, as you can see, the thank you page is here. So people are landing on this thank you page after filling up the contact form successfully. So what we will do now, we will create a conversion tag in Bing ads account so that we will able to track those leads in our Bing ads account manager. So first of all, as you can see, there are a lot of options here. So the option which we need to use for creating a conversion tag to on that thank you page, we need to use the conversion option, in which we need to go to the conversion goal, and once we click on it, we will now on the conversion as you can say conversion goal option. So here we need to create a new conversion action, and we need to click on the website option, because we need to as you can say track the leads that are coming through the website, like website form. So I will choose website here, and then I will click on the next button, and then you need to choose your category, like goal category. As my goal category is submit lead form, so I will choose that. If your one is book appointments, like anything you think be your goal, you can choose it out from here. There are a lot of options. So I will choose submit lead form, and then track every time someone visit our web page as a conversion. Track every time someone complete a specific action like subscribing. Like if somebody click on a button or doing that kind of stuff, or subscribe some letter, there are lots of web letter that are present on the website. If somebody doing that kind of stuff, then you can use event tracking, but our goal is to track the thank you page. Like if somebody fill up the form and landing on that thank you page, we need to track that. So I will choose destination URL option, then I will click on the next button, and here you need to name your conversion action. I will name it website form mission, and then I will choose contains, like if some URL contain the thank you like thank you at the last, it will count as a conversion in the Bing's ads account. So I already choose that option. Now you need to choose the value as well. Like if you want to choose the value, if you don't, like I don't want to choose any value, so I will choose this, but like Bing ad recommend you to choose the value always. So I will choose no value, but if you want, you can choose like value like $1. It means if somebody fill up the form, the value of that lead will be $1 for you. So it will help you to you can say analyze the data, like how much dollar of like leads you got from the campaign. So if you don't want to use the value, you can do it, but if you want, you can like choose this option to track that value. Okay, and then you just need to click on the next button, and then it will you can say enhanced conversion. It will give you two options. I don't want to use enhanced conversion, and the other option, that is turn on the enhanced conversion option. And And with the help of this, you can improve the accuracy of your conversion by matching them with personal information like email address. So you can do this kind of stuff with the help of enhanced conversion option. So I will always recommend turn on your enhanced conversion option so that you can get the accurate data. And I will choose this one, and I will enable the enhanced conversion, and then I will click on the next save and tag. And now the main part is coming. Like, no, this is your there is an UET tag. If you heard about Google, so if you heard about Google, there is a G tag which need to be present on the website if you want to track any conversion from Google Ads. So in same case, we have UET tag in our Bing ads accounts. From that we will able to track the conversion, like track the data, like people who are visited our landing page, we will track that data with the help of UET tag. So as I have already added the UET tag in our website, so you can check the same with the UET, like Microsoft Advertising UET tag helper, as I have already install the UET tag in the head section of the website. So I'm checking the same, it's on the website. So I will choose yes, the UET tag was already installed my web pages, and you can create another conversion action. So this means our UET tag is already installed on the like web page, and we can choose second option. If you don't have any UET tag, you can choose the first one, but without UET tag you are not able to track the data from the website to your Bing ads accounts. So I will, after this I will also let you know how to from where you can get that code. So now you just need to click on the save and next button, and now as you can see you have the UET tag. So you just need to add this script in the header section of your website. Okay, so this will help you to track the data to your like Google, like Bing's ads accounts. Also there is an option of UET tag. If you are not able to find UET tag anywhere, you just need to click on the UET tag, and then you can generate like I have already created a UET tag, so it's showing me the same UET tag, like it's 682 in last, and let me check, it's 682 last. So you can create, like click on the UET tag as I have already created, so I can you can say get the code from there. But if you like you are fresh, your account is fresh, so what you can do is you can click on the create button and name it the UET tag which you want to name it, and then like I will name it test and test description and code free conversion. There are 3 options. I will choose code free conversion, rich behavior, and then you need to click on the save next button. Now you have the option install the tag yourself, send the tag to developer, add the tag website editing platform. So I will choose install the tag at myself, and then you will have that code here. Just need to put that tag in the head section of the website so that it will be showcased here, and then yeah, you are ready to go. So I think now you understand what I'm trying to say. I'm deleting it because I have already created a UET tag, so I will create you can say it, I will delete it here. So now I will review all the things. Like if you need to create a UET tag, first you just need to go to the UET tag and create a UET tag from here, and then put the code in the website backend, and then you can go to the conversion goals and like create a new conversions, like to track leads from the website to your Bing ads account. So I think now you know how to do it, how to create a conversion action to track a thank you page in Bing ads accounts. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please comment, share, so that we can create more video like this. And if you have any query or concern, you can directly mention the same in our comment section so that we can figure it out and get back to you. Thanks so much.